Hello everyone. So from this video we will see how you control the flow of a program which is using some boolean values, comparison operators, boolean operators and many more. So here, first going to start with flow control, and always we all know from other programming languages, flow control is very easy if you write it in the form of chart, or grammatical or diagrammatical representation can help you to find the flow control better than you start looking at the flow control of a program which is in the form of lines of code. So flowchart is usually used for checking or tracing the flow. It should start with start and it should go to the end without any jumps in the statements. It should follow either yes or no if you come towards control statements, or if you have a statement which is having two decisions, the flowchart should follow either, or the execution of program should follow either yes or no. This is how the flow control of a program is done. Next one is boolean value. We all know there are two values in the boolean. One is yes, second one is no. So that is represented in the form of true or false. So in the Python we have boolean values or boolean data types which represent true or false. So it has a syntax or a structure to be followed. In true, T should be capital and rest RUE is small letters, and F in the false is capital, rest is small letters. So if you give spam equal to true, if you want to print spam, then if you just give a variable spam, it prints true. So if you give true in a complete small letter, it throws a name error, and you cannot assign any values to the true because true is represented as keyword. Next one is comparison operator. So in comparison operator we have operators like equals to. So if you use double equals to or 2 times equal symbol, it is referred as comparison operator. It is like 2 is equal to 3. Is it correct or not? It also gives back you true or false answer. If 2 equal to 2, it's true. If 2 equal to 3, then it is false. So not equal to, if 2 is not equal to 3, yes, it is correct. If 2 is less than 3, yes. If 2 is greater than 3, false. If 2 less than or equal to 3, no. If 2 is greater than equal to 3, no. So this is how your comparison operator work. So comparison operator, we have many examples, like, so better we will go for execution of them and we'll see. We'll go for search window to get our better ideally, or interactive window, interactive shell. So shell is here. We'll start executing this example. 42 equal to 42, it's 2. So 42 is equal to 99, as false. So 2 is not equal to 3, it's true. 1 is not equal to 1, that's false. In the same way we can use string. So to use string we have to use single quote HELLO, hello, single quote, it's equal to hello, it's true. But what I'll do, I'll use hello equal to 1, it shows false. If I want to make use of true is a keyword, it's not a string, but I should use capital TRUE, it's a keyword. True is equal to true, enter. It's a syntax error because I have used space capital TRUE is equal to TRUE, enter, it shows true. So TRUE is equal to FALSE, false, then it shows false. So in the same way we have greater than and lesser than symbols also in comparison operator. Next one is Boolean operator. So we all know true and false are Boolean values, and or not, and or not are used as this, and or not are used as Boolean operator. So true and true gives you true, like our what we call this as truth tables of true and false, or truth table for and or is like our truth table for Boolean binary operator. True and true is true, false and false is false, true and false, false and true is also false. If you take OR operator, if any one is false then it will be true, if both are false then only it will be false. This is about Boolean operators. So we have one more Boolean operator, not. If you attach not to any value then it will be reversed. Not true is false, not false is true. Next one is mixing Boolean and comparison operator. See here, 4 greater than 5 also returns Boolean value, 5 greater than 6 also returns Boolean value, and we are using Boolean operator with comparison operator. So it is it is decided as 4 is greater than 5, true, 5 is greater than 6, sorry, 5 is less than 4 is less than 5, true, 5 is less than 6, true, true and true is true. If you take this, 4 is less than 5, true, 9 is less than 6, false, true and false is false. So 1 equal to 2, false, or 2 equal to 2, it's true, then false or true is true. So I hope you understood the concept of flow control, Boolean operators, values and expressions. Thank you.